Hello and welcome everyone to the next episode on SAP Business Technology Platform training with me, Anubhav. In this demo series, we are learning about basics of cloud application programming model on Cloud Foundry. By far in our series, we have seen how to create a database table, a OData service on top of database table, which is sales order, and then we have also seen how to test your service in the last episode. Please check the link below in the description to find the series videos in sequence. So in this episode, we will see how can we now create a Fiori application on top of our existing OData service of type V4. So let me go back to the application and I will launch our business application studio where we have tested our OData service for sales order. And now I'm going to go to the app folder. This is the folder exactly where I'm going to generate our Fiori application. I can just go ahead and choose an option to start a project from template. So let's choose that. And now I am going to choose here a Fiori application. Say next. And I would like to create probably a list report application. So let me choose that. Next. Now my data source is going to be the data source coming from CAPM. So let me choose an option that I want to pick up the data from my local CAP Node.js project. And you can see it will pick up the path of my CAP project now. So I'll choose my local CAP project path, open. And now there is an OData service which we have built, which it will detect my service. And then I can say next. So it has identified the primary entity set as order set. We'll say next, and now we will give our module name. So say my sales order app. Yes. And then what we are going to do is we will also choose here application title. So module name cannot contain capital letters. So say sales order app. And we will choose here application title called my sales orders. So let's give a namespace for this app as anubhav.app. And now I am going to click on finish. Boom. You can see our Fiori application is automatically generated. And it is a time that we can go ahead and test this application. So let me go ahead and execute once again cds run command. And let's launch the front page of the application by opening a new tab. And now you can see we have got a web application listed under the CAPM endpoint. I click on same. This perhaps would launch my sales order application, which is automatically generated. Wow. And now once I go inside, I would get a beautiful, simple list report application without any columns at the moment. So maybe I will go and add some of the columns. Okay. And we click on go. So that's my Fiori app. The search also works out of the box. For example, I want to search Anubhav. You can see it's finding my record. So that's a very simple list report application which gets generated out of your CAPM project out of the box. In our next episode, we will enhance this application to navigate to the next screen, wherein we can see the details on the next screen by adding Fiori annotations. If you're interested to learn complete cloud application programming model with SAP Cloud Platform, feel free to subscribe our training on anubhavtrainings.com. With that, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next episode.